From the heart of ancient lands, a journey begins where the sun kisses the earth.
Each pod, a testament to nature's bounty and generations of careful cultivation, holds the promise of a...
Within each pod, a treasure awaits. The raw, unrefined beans, the very heart of the chocolate to come.
Harvested with care and precision, these pods represent the first crucial step in
Each heavy basket, a testament to dedication, is carefully transported, beginning the essential journey from farm to fermentation.
With practiced hands, the rich pods are opened, revealing the precious beans, encased in their sweet...
Transformed in wooden boxes covered by banana leaves, the beans begin their crucial fermentation, developing the deep, complex flavors we crave.
Day by day, the beans transform, their colors deepening, their aromas intensifying, as the
Under the warm sun, the beans are carefully dried, a crucial step that locks in their evolving flavors and prepares them for the journey ahead.
With practiced strokes, the beans are turned, ensuring every single one achieves the perfect moisture.
Once dried, the beans undergo rigorous inspection, ensuring only the finest quality proceeds, a commitment to unparalleled chocolate excellence.
Clear on the left. Bring it forward slowly, looks good.
Green red. At the factory, the beans enter a meticulous cleaning process, where advanced machinery expertly...
With incredible precision, unwanted elements are removed, leaving behind only the pure essence of the cocoa, ready for its next transformation.
Next, the cleaned beans enter the roaster, where precise temperatures awaken their latent flavors, deepening their aroma and character. The intense heat unlocks a symphony of flavors and aromas, transforming the humble bean into the rich, complex foundation of chocolate.
Once perfectly roasted, the beans are rapidly cooled, preventing over-roasting and preserving their delicate, newly developed flavor profiles.
The cooled beans then enter the winnower, where ingenious technology separates the crunchy nibs from their brittle outer shells, a crucial step. Watch as air currents deftly separate the valuable nibs, the pure heart of the cocoa bean, from their discarded, papery shells.
Within these powerful grinders, the nibs are crushed, their natural fats released, creating a rich... This molten cocoa liquor, warm and intensely aromatic, is the fundamental building block, awaiting its...
Check the viscosity on line 3.
Reading stable at target temperature.
As the ingredients intermingle, the paste transforms, becoming incredibly smooth and loose.
The rich chocolate paste is then transferred to the refiner, where its texture will be meticulously perfected.
Between massive rollers, the chocolate is refined to an exquisite fineness, its texture becoming incredibly smooth, melting perfectly on the tongue. The outcome is a delicate, almost ethereal chocolate powder, so fine it promises an unparalleled melt-in-your-mouth sensation. Within the conch, the chocolate undergoes hours of intense kneading, developing its silky texture and releasing its full spectrum of flavors. This prolonged kneading eliminates any bitterness, enhancing the chocolate's natural sweetness and creating an incredibly smooth, luxurious mouthfeel.
This precise temperature control creates stable cocoa butter crystals, giving the chocolate its desired snap, shine, and smooth mouthfeel.
To ensure a flawless finish, the molds are gently vibrated, releasing any trapped air bubbles, guaranteeing a perfectly smooth chocolate surface.
Watch as the last vestiges of air escape,
leaving behind an impeccably smooth, glossy surface.
The filled molds then enter the cooling tunnel, where precise temperatures solidify the chocolate, locking in its perfect form and texture.
Emerging perfectly solid and gleaming, these chocolate bars are now ready to be demolded, revealing their exquisite form.
With mechanical grace, the perfectly formed bars effortlessly release from their molds, showcasing their pristine, glossy surfaces. Observe the flawless, glossy surface, a testament to perfect tempering, promising an exquisite snap and luxurious melt. Precision machinery expertly wraps each bar, sealing in freshness and presenting it in elegant, branded packaging, a promise of luxury. The final seal, a testament to meticulous care, ensures each bar's freshness and integrity, preserving its exquisite taste.
From individual wraps, the bars are elegantly placed into branded display boxes, preparing them for their grand debut.
The embossed logo, a mark of true luxury, signifies our unwavering commitment to excellence, from bean to exquisite bar. In our expansive warehouse, pallets of finished chocolate await global distribution, a testament to our worldwide reach and demand. Every angle, every detail, meticulously captured, showcasing the artistry and allure of our premium chocolate creations.
The journey continues as our fresh chocolate, carefully packaged, embarks on its path, destined.
Perfect snap, a symphony of quality, reveals the smooth, rich interior, promising a truly sublime taste experience. From humble beans, a masterpiece emerges. A decadent chocolate tart, a testament to culinary.
A delicate dusting of cocoa, the final artistic touch, adding depth and elegance to this exquisite chocolate creation.
In the hands of a master chef, our chocolate transforms into a molten lava cake, a dessert of pure, unadulterated passion. Watch as the rich, molten chocolate cascades, a decadent river of pure indulgence, promising an unforgettable, warm embrace.
A spoon gently breaks the surface, revealing a molten heart, a rich, warm torrent of chocolate, pure bliss in every bite.
An opulent dessert platter, a symphony of chocolate creations, each a tiny masterpiece, promising an unforgettable journey of taste.
The first bite, a revelation of creamy ganache, melting effortlessly, delivering an intense, unforgettable chocolate experience.
At grand celebrations, our chocolate flows, a magnificent fountain of
Lifted from the flow, a perfectly coated strawberry, glistening with rich chocolate, a simple pleasure, exquisitely presented.
In the hands of a master chocolatier, each praline the canvas, adorned with delicate drizzles.
With exquisite precision, a delicate chocolate drizzle transforms each praline into a miniature work of art, a feast for the eyes. A final flourish of edible gold dust, transforming each praline into a jewel, a truly opulent and unforgettable chocolate experience.
In the hands of a master chocolatier, each praline becomes a canvas, adorned with delicate drizzles and shimmering.
With practiced hands, a gourmet chef creates delicate chocolate curls, each one a testament to artistry, adorning a culinary masterpiece. Watch as delicate chocolate curls cascade, transforming a simple dessert into an exquisite work of art, a feast for the senses. Every curl, a testament to intricate design, adding a delicate crunch and visual splendor to this unforgettable chocolate creation. A single, perfect drop of melted chocolate, a testament to its luxurious fluidity, promising rich, intense flavor.
In Stillens, a grand chocolate wedding cake, a masterpiece of culinary art, meticulously decorated.
With breathtaking precision, intricate chocolate piping transforms a simple tier into a canvas of delicate patterns, truly mesmerizing.
A delicate sugar flower, the final artistic flourish, transforming the cake into a breathtaking centerpiece, a symbol of enduring beauty.
With steady hand, a delicate brushstroke brings a bonbon to life, creating intricate patterns, making each piece a unique, edible jewel. Each hand-painted design, a tiny masterpiece reflecting light, promising a burst of flavor and a visual delight, truly exceptional.
With utmost care, these edible jewels are placed into luxurious, velvet-lined boxes, transforming them into the perfect, unforgettable gift.
Final touch, a perfectly tied bow and branded tag, a promise of luxury, a symbol of a truly exceptional, unforgettable gift.
I hope you enjoy these. Happy holidays!
They're beautiful. Thank you, darling.
This is absolutely delicious.
I know, the caramel is perfect.
We should get this again next week. From simple beans, an endless world of culinary creations emerges, like this rich, velvety chocolate sauce, a canvas for chefs.
A perfect, luscious ribbon of chocolate sauce, rich and velvety, promises a luxurious addition to any culinary creation, truly versatile.
Explore a world of flavor, from crunchy nuts to tangy fruits, each chocolate bar a unique journey, a symphony of textures and tastes.
Each sparkling crystal of sea salt, a tiny burst of flavor, perfectly complementing the rich chocolate, a symphony for the senses.
Before the taste, the aroma. A complex symphony of notes. A prelude.
With eyes closed, the world fades, leaving only the profound pleasure of chocolate, a moment of pure...